Now let's see a question from semiconductor chapter. It's a previous year board question. And the question is, what is rectifier? And with the help of neat circuit diagram, explain the working of full wave rectifier. You can see this question asked several times in board examination. For example, October 2008, 9, 10, as well as March 2012, as well as March 2020. So this is a very important question. Now let's see the answer of this question. Now first, what is rectifier? Basically, rectifier is an electronic circuit which convert AC voltage into DC voltage. And this conversion of AC into DC is called as rectification. The process of conversion AC into DC is the rectification. Now let's see, basically rectifier is classified into two types, half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. So we have to learn here full wave rectifier. Now you can see a circuit diagram of the full wave rectifier as shown below. So this is your AC input. So here we are given AC input here. So this is transformer. Then this is a primary coil. This is secondary coil. This AB you can see secondary coil. Then the line between these coils are core of the transformer. Then so this is a here at the center here you can see a arrow, means it's a center tap transformer. Now here this is diode. So this is diode D1 and this is diode D2. So these two diodes are connected in such a way that so either one diode gives you a output. Okay. Now we have to see the working of this full wave rectifier. Basically, so diode D1 conduct in positive half cycle and D2 conduct in negative half cycle. So this is a basic connection. These two diodes are connected in such a way that they are conducted in positive and negative half cycle. Now let's see for positive half cycle. Positive half cycle means what? This is the input cycle. So this is the one input cycle. This is a positive half cycle and this is negative half cycle. For positive half cycle, this terminal A is positive and this B is negative. Or you can say that terminal A is at higher potential and B at lower potential. When this terminal A is positive with respect to the B, then diode D1 is in forward bias and diode conduct only when it is in forward bias. And this is in reverse bias. So we get current through the load resistance due to this diode D1. So you can see here diode D1 conduct and we get current through the load resistance due to diode D1. So here for positive half cycle, we get output due to this diode D1. Similar manner, the next point we can write for negative half cycle. Negative half cycle means this is the negative half cycle. For negative half cycle, this A is negative and this B is positive. It means that, or in another word, you can say that A is at lower potential and B is at higher potential. So B is at higher potential, so this D2 is in forward bias and D1 is in reverse bias. So therefore, this diode D2 conduct and the current flows through the load resistance. So we get output due to diode D1. It means that for positive half cycle, we get output due to diode D1. And for negative half cycle, we get output due to diode D2. And the process continues. So we get output for full cycle. So it is called as full wave rectifier. I hope you understood this working of this full wave rectifier. You can see the next point is written here. Input output waveform, you can see the for positive half cycle output due to D1, for negative half cycle output due to diode D2, for again positive output due to D1, negative half cycle output due to diode D2. So this is the full explanation in one page. You can see